Hey, I'm Johnny Goldstein, music producer living in Los Angeles. I work with different artists from Black Eyed Peas, David Guetta, Coil Ray, Ozuna, Daddy Yankee, and now many more. We want to try to find a way to create music that will be global in Spanish, a boy band that is dedicated to Spanish language. I feel like every few years there is those songs that no matter what kind of language they are, it's speaking to everyone. No matter if you're from France, Poland, Spain, Mexico, US, it's a global music, and I'm really trying to find that next sound. I can see a lot of talent here. The progress they have during the bootcamp is huge. I remember seeing the first auditions, and to hear them now, the progress they did from the first audition till now. We search for what can be melody that will be global to create something that we all feel this is like big songs that can really work across the globe. Next, we gonna preparing the next songs and obviously create more songs. Right now, we on a hunt to find the right songs with the right DNA for that band to debut in the best way.